Hey everyone! Welcome back to Fix Netflix. Today, we're tackling a frustrating problem that many PlayStation 5 users are facing, what some call the blue light of death. So, stick around as I walk you through step-by-step solutions to get your PS5 up and running again. Let's dive in. So, what exactly is the blue light of death? This issue usually happens when your PlayStation 5 fails to boot up properly. Instead of turning on normally, it just flashes a blue light and then shuts off. No display, no sound, nothing. This happened to my disc version PS5 after an accidental power shutoff, and it refused to turn back on. After trying the basics reconnecting cables, unplugging and replugging the console, and pressing the power button repeatedly, I found a proper fix that actually worked. Now, let me show you how you can fix it too. Step 1. Enter safe mode. The first step to fixing this issue is to boot your PS5 into safe mode. Here's how you do it. First, hold down the power button for about 7-8 seconds until you hear 2 beeps. Second, let go of the button. Your PlayStation should now boot into safe mode. Then, connect a USB cable from your controller to the PS5 and press the PlayStation button to continue. Once you see the safe mode screen, congratulations! You're one step closer to fixing your PS5. Step 2. Try different safe mode options. Once you're in safe mode, you'll see a list of options on your screen. I tried all of them, and I recommend you do the same to see what works for you. Here are the key ones to try. Option 1. Restart PS5. See if restarting from safe mode solves the issue. Option 2. Change video output. If you recently connected to a new TV or monitor, this setting may need adjusting. Option 3. Update system software. Sometimes, an update failure can cause this issue. Try updating via the internet without deleting your files. Option 5. Rebuild database. Corrupted data could be causing the issue. Rebuilding the database can help clean up system errors. If none of these options work, don't worry. There's one last step we can try. Step 3. Factory reset the PS5. Now, before you move forward with this step, I need to warn you, this will erase everything on your PS5, including user data, saved games, and settings. Only do this if nothing else has worked. Go to In Safe Mode, select Reset PS5, option 6, then confirm the reset and wait for the process to complete. Once the reset is done, your PS5 will restart like a brand new console. You'll need to re-add your account, re-download your games, and reconfigure all settings. Fortunately, if you have PlayStation Plus, your saved data should be stored in the cloud, so you won't lose progress. The reset process itself is pretty fast. It only took about 5 to 10 minutes for me. Final thoughts and wrap up. So, if you're dealing with the blue light of death, here's the best order to troubleshoot. Try safe mode troubleshooting first. If that doesn't work, attempt database rebuilding and system updates. As a last resort, factory reset the PS5. Hopefully, PlayStation will release a firmware update to fix this issue permanently. Until then, I hope this guide helps you get back to gaming. If this video helped, smash that like button. It really supports the channel. And if you're new here, don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell so you don't miss future repair guides. Have any questions? Drop them in the comments section, and I'll be happy to help. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace.